Right, let's look at question 1b. Kasune plans to resell all the pens she bought by repacking. She intends to pack a certain number of black pens and a certain number of red pens in each pack. So what is Kasune going to do? She's going to pack the pens she bought in smaller packs. She wants all the packs she makes to be identical. What does that mean? So in each pack, she's going to put a mix of pens. That is, in each pack, she's going to put a certain number of black pens, Not only black, in the same pack, she'll be putting some red pens too. And she wants all the packs she makes to be identical. What does that mean? For an example, let's say in the first pack she puts 3 black pens and 2 red pens. Then in second pack 2, she wants to maintain the same formula or the same composition. That is 3 black pens and 2 red pens. So she wants all the packs what she makes to be identical, which means the formula or the composition of each pack will be the same. So the question to us is, what is the maximum number of pen packs can she make? To do that, to answer that question, first we got to know how many black pens did she buy from the stationery shop. So how do we find that? Number of black pens Kasumi has. So how many black pens does Kasumi got with her? She has bought 12 packs of black pens. And in one pack, how many black pens are there? Let's go and see. In a certain stationery shop, a pack of black pen has 6 pens. So then, how many black pens she got altogether? In one pack, there are 6. So 6. And how many packs has she bought? In part A, we found out it's 12. So 6 times 12, that is 72 pens. So altogether she has 72 black pens. Now we got to figure out or find out how many red pens she has with her. Number of red pens Kasumi has. So from where did she buy the red pens? From a stationery shop. In that stationery shop, each pack of red pens had 8 pens in it. In your printed copy, read the first and the second sentences. It says a pack of red pens has 8 pens in it. So how do you find the number of red pens then? That is 8 in one pack. And how many red pen packs has she bought? That is 7. We found in A. So 8 times 7. That is 56 red pen packs. Or it's not 56 red pen packs, it's 56 red pens. My bad, sorry. So now she has 72 black pens and 56 red pens. Now what is she going to do with these pens? She's going to put these pens into packs for the purpose of reselling. So how can she do the packing? One option she has is she can put 36 black pens in the pack 1 and 28 red pens in pack 1. Since all the packs got to be identical, the second pack also should have 36 black pens and 28 red pens. One way of packing. So with 2 packs, she's done. So if the question was, how can she pack her pens? Then we can simply say 36 black pens and 28 red pens in each pack. But we are not allowed to give that answer. Why not? And if she puts in that way, 36 black and 28 red in each pack, the number of packs she can make is 2. But the question here is not just any number of packs. They are asking for what is the maximum number of pen packs. What is the maximum number of pen packs can she make? So to find out the maximum number of pen packs, we got to see what is the highest number that can be used to divide both 72 and 56 without a remainder. Or in other words, what we got to find out is what is the highest common factor of 72 and 56 is. Now, how do we find the highest common factor of 72 and 56? There are multiple methods. One method is you start dividing 72 and 56 by prime numbers. Think of a prime number that could be used to divide both 72 and 56. Both of these are divisible by the first prime number, that's 2. That is 36, 28. Can we divide 36 and 28 by 2? Yes, we can. Then divide by 2. Then we get 18 and 14. Can we divide 18 and 14 by 2? Yes, we can. So divide by 2 once again. So we get 9 and 7. Think of a prime number or try to figure out what is the prime number that could be used to divide both 9 and 7. Is there a prime number which could be used to divide both 9 and 7 without a remainder? The answer is no. There is no prime number. There is no such prime number which could be used to divide both 9 and 7 without a remainder. Which means you've got to stop your the HCF workings. So now you can say what the HCF is. The HCF is HCF of 72 and 56 equals, multiply the numbers that you see out here. That's 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So what does that mean? 8 is the largest number that could be used to divide both 72 and 56 without a remainder. And what should be the answer? Then what should be the answer? For the maximum number of pen packs can she make? The maximum number of pen packs she can make is equal to the HCF of 72 and 56, which is 8 packs. 8 is the maximum number of pen packs she can make adhering to the conditions that has been put out by her.